Sawatika. My name is Barb Oakley, and I'm the author of the book A Mind for Numbers, which is coming out soon in a Thai version, both electronically and a hard copy. So my inspiration was for writing the book was the fact that I was a terrible student when I was growing up, and yet I've changed completely. So I've gone from someone who, for example, hated math and science to now I'm a distinguished professor of engineering. So it turns out that there are some tricks from neuroscience that are really simple to understand, but can take your learning to a whole new level. So things you thought you could never learn are actually within reach. So by reading A Mind for Numbers, you'll get all sorts of ideas about how to stop procrastinating and how to become more intuitive about whatever you're learning. These tricks, as you'll see, can make your life much less stressful. So for those of you who might, for example, be afraid of learning math, you'll find that these little tricks can step by step bring you into becoming an expert. Or let's say you don't know how to learn a language. You've never been very good at it. These little tricks can help improve your ability to learn. So this book actually is for everyone. And no matter what your age, well, okay, maybe not 2 years old, but whether you're 15 or 50, you'll get great ideas because your brain works in a similar way, mostly, no matter what your age. So there's several places you can find more information about this. First, Facebook pages SE-ED book or Change Plus, and lastly, LHL Brainery. So I hope to see you there, and in the meantime, happiest of learning.